But I think one of the most important statements that came yesterday, which the market should take note of, but it may not be an impact immediately, is the report on trend and progress in banking. It's a very important annual document which the Reserve Bank puts out looking at the health of the banking system. And yesterday it had some warnings. Abhishek is here to tell us the key takeaways for banks from the RTP, as we call it, report on trend and progress in banking. Abhishek.
Well, Lata, as you mentioned, the health of the banking system is one of the best that we are seeing in last 13 years is what RBI has mentioned in its report. However, RBI has again flagged concerns on unsecured loan exposure cap that they had prescribed earlier for lenders. RBI has also said that they will consider removing prepayment penalties on floating rates that has been given to loans to small borrowers. In terms of unsecured portfolio, they say that some entities boards have fixed a very high ceiling for unsecured loans. This needs to be continuously monitored, and that is why RBI has urged private sector banks to bring down that unsecured portfolio, as well as the fact that they have asked RBI banks to bring down the employee attrition rate as well. Now RBI says that they will impose more regulatory curbs on unsecured lending of lenders if at all lenders do not mend their ways. Despite raising the risk-weight assets on unsecured loans, RBI is worried that it still forms about 1/4 of the total commercial banks loans as of FY24. So RBI has warned about malpractices in digital lending space as well. They say that they are in the process of setting up a repository digital lending apps to curb these manipulation that is there in digital lending scape. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Abhishek, got that. Thank you very much for putting that on our radar as well. But